Coffee, use it but don't abuse it. Here's why. Inhibitory effects of caffeine on hippocampal neurogenesis and function by Science Direct. So they've conducted a study where there's two different kind of rats. There's the control rats where it's caffeine free, and the other rats are caffeinated essentially. And the results were repeated measurements revealed that caffeine-fed rats were slower to find the hidden platform than control rats during the initial testing period. They've also found that after a week of caffeine exposure, no significant change in proliferation in the SG zone was found. Now, for those that don't know what SGZ means, it's called the subgranular zone, and that is found in your brain. That's where neurogenesis is actually conducted, in that region of the brain. Anyway, however, when caffeine exposure was extended to 2 weeks, a significant decrease in proliferation was observed. By week 4, proliferation had declined by 34.4%. Now that's a fuckload. 34.4%, that's a huge decline. Anyway, we'll go into the conclusion. It says the present study showed that long-term consumption of low-dose caffeine, representative of normal human intake, can inhibit hippocampal neurogenesis and hippocampus-dependent learning and memory. Now, why is it important to have this neurogenesis anyway? So neurogenesis is the birth of new cells. This phenomenon represents a key aspect in neuroplasticity and is important for learning and memory in the brain. And neuroplasticity is a key role to rewiring your brain. So when you learn a skill, you're dependent on neuroplasticity to develop new synapses for you to be better at that skill. So neuroplasticity is definitely something you want on your side. And for caffeine to affect neurogenesis, therefore affect neuroplasticity, is not a good thing. That's all I have for today. Thank you for watching.